For AMT, Top Shops is really critical because if you think about what our guys do, our guys are making the manufacturing technology that we're trying to get out into industry. And the best way to make sure that that happens and to make sure that the manufacturing industry is driving forward is to look at those shops that are best in class. Who's doing the best work? Who's leveraging technology in the best way? Who's figured out the best processes? And when we're able to work with Gardner and Top Shops and come up with a collective way of letting the nation see what are the best in class shops, we're just driving our industry forward, we're driving the manufacturing industry forward, and that's what AMT is all about. From an overall industry standpoint, I think it's important that there's always a benchmark or a hurdle rate that you have other shops trying to strive towards. I know from my grandfather's experience in running a shop back in the 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, that it was always really important to understand what were the best-in-class shops doing. How do you keep on forever improving your processes? And unless you know what you're shooting against, unless you have some frame of reference, it's hard to do that. And so to have a group that can organize a national perspective, a national benchmark as to what a top shop is, you have a way for everyone to kind of have something to shoot for, to strive for. And when you make it more well-known, you publicize it, when it gets to be a key thing you're focusing on as an overall group, then it gets to be the goal. Everybody wants to be first. Everybody wants to be the front of the line. You want to be the most recognized. Top Shops does that for the manufacturing industry.